Building services, normally hidden away from view, constitute a high percentage of the built environment. Without them, our homes and workplaces would be cold, damp, and bare structures. At Crown House Technologies, we pioneered the use of off-site manufacturing for mechanical, electrical, and public health services more than 25 years ago. And today, we are at the forefront of modern construction methods as the UK's leading prefabricator of modular building services. Our facility, located in Albury in the West Midlands, covers 129,000 square feet and has the inbuilt flexibility to respond to current industry trends and demands from our clients. The well-being of our staff is of utmost importance to us. Spacious workstations transform the raw materials into state-of-the-art MEP modules, and the clear delineation of routes and separation of pedestrian and vehicle access is paramount to ensure a safe and pleasant workplace for our employees. It is from here our highly skilled workforce constantly meets the industry's demands for fast-track programs and innovative solutions associated with the latest proven technology while achieving the highest standards of quality. Our facility has played a big part in bringing to life some of the UK's most iconic and complex buildings. We have been using off-site modular construction methods for decades. In fact, it is part of our DNA, as shown by our experience on projects such as the Francis Crick Institute, Manchester Airport Transformation Programme, Blackburn and Darwin Wastewater Treatment Works, and we re-engineered the whole MEP package at the University of Manchester's Henry Royce Institute, resulting in the development of a mega riser, which greatly improved the design to commissioning timeframe, whilst maintaining the technical integrity of the services. These projects demonstrate our wealth and depth of experience and knowledge in the manufacture of MEP systems, giving us the unrivaled ability to supply bespoke solutions for projects wherever and whenever the need arises. We have revolutionized the way we go to work, which has improved module production. We now have the capacity to deliver in excess of 150 modules a week. At Crown House Technologies, we continue to reinvest in our people and equipment. We have upgraded our offices, conference and welfare facilities in order to promote an early engagement of our professional services, thus providing a collaborative, multidisciplined approach to the design and fabrication of today's MEP systems. Keeping up to date and investing in the latest proven technologies allows us to streamline our manufacturing and assembly workflow, with the result being we can vastly reduce wastage and deliver our DFMA modular products quicker, defect-free, and fully accredited to the highest industry standards. As the manufacture and assembly is carried out in a safe, controlled factory environment by skilled tradesmen and women, the quality of the workmanship is unparalleled. This has the added benefit of relocating some of the testing to the factory, which in turn reduces final on-site commissioning. We operate a fully integrated SAP Enterprise resource planning system, which holds all data in one place with direct reporting straight from the source for estimation, engineering, procurement, production and delivery, ensuring an unrivaled end-to-end service. At Albury, we have a wide range of base MEP modules within our product set that are extremely versatile and can be used to form any complete MEP building system. As part of the Langer-Rourke Group, we work closely with our colleagues in Explore Logistics and Select Specialist Handling divisions to ensure a seamless delivery and installation process. We are able to ensure a just-in-time delivery service to suit the project's requirements. At Crown House Technologies, we continue to strive for the best solutions for our clients, and through early engagement with the project team, we are able to help with the design, manufacture, build, delivery, and ultimately quality assurance. Our approach to the built environment and our commitment to DFMA stems from a responsibility to build better, safer, cleaner, and in a more environmentally sustainable manner, helping us to reduce stress on the world's natural resources and to promote a safety-first culture in the construction industry.